Hello, my name is Eric Cooper, actor, model, philanthropist, and video producer for Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractor. You may know me for some of my award-winning work, such as... Wait. I've never won. You may be asking yourself, Ari, how can I be more like you? Well, the first step is to subscribe to Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractor on YouTube. Because if you do, you could be one of 5 lucky subscribers to win this hoodie. Well, no, not this hoodie. A hoodie very similar to this one. I'm wearing this hoodie, so you can't have this, but we have another one for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video.
How you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thank you for tuning into our video. Again, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. So today I'm here with Ben. He's one of our foremen. Ben, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Very good. So yesterday, Ben, you were in Queens on 66th Road, correct?
Correct.
And we were replacing a lead water main, right?
Right.
So the quick backstory to this, a customer called us, recently moved in, just had a baby, and they wanted to get rid of the lead water main in the house. Obviously, for all the health reasons of how bad lead is for you, they decided to make that change and upgrade to copper. So Ben, on a job like this, when you arrive to the job site, like what is like your steps that you take to set up your job, and also is it always the same?
Well, it's not always the same, but when we go on the job site, they put cones, we
Mhm.
put a barricade, I do my M-scope, and I start the job.
If you don't find this, you're in for a long day. That's the city tap. If you don't find that, you're gonna be outside all day trying to look for it. So once I get that, I'm happy already.
The only challenges is like when the ground is like really hard.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of go 4 feet, we need to go like 3.5 feet.
So the ground was really, really tough.
Yeah, the ground was really tough.
And there was also a porch, right?
Yeah, there was also a porch, and by the ground is so hard, we couldn't get it done all the way through. So we had to go put a hole under the porch.
So you actually had to crawl under the porch to dig down 3.5 feet to get the water in.
Yeah.
So very, very tough job. Like, so typically, you know, if I went out and to look at a job that I was going to estimate, I see a porch, you know, a lot of times we don't factor in how hard the dirt's going to be.
Yeah.
So an estimated,
Most of the time we go past it, but as the dirt is so hard,
yeah, you can't.
we have
So when we go and we look at a job, we see that there's a porch, we just figure we could blow right through it.
Yep.
But in some cases, that's not
We
the case.
can't.
So that actually changes the entire job when you actually have to be on your
Yeah.
belly digging 3.5 feet.
It's like 3 hours more.
Yeah, but you got it done.
Yeah.
I've been on your jobs a million times, right? And what I've always said to you is that it seems like your crew, they know what to do. Like everyone has a responsibility. That's how you like to manage your crew. No one's like walking around trying to figure out what to do. It's like every guy knows what their task is, and that's how you guys get done with your water main so fast.
Yep.
So
That's how we do it.
So you walk us through a little bit of that? Like, you know which guys' strength and weaknesses are? You take that into consideration?
Well, the way we do it is like everybody responsible for their own part. I'm gonna work the jackhammer, one guy gonna dig the hole and close the water, one guy gonna go make some tunnels, and then we take a 5, and then we carry on again.
Gotcha. So everyone has their responsibility to get it done,
Yeah.
right? So the job could only be as good as everybody's task.
Yes.
Okay. All right, well, Ben, thank you.
You're
As
welcome.
always, great job. Thanks for tuning into our video. Again, if you could like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. Have a good one.